The objective of this video is to explain how to set up your packages that you will sell in your good, better, best options for your patients. To set up the packages, you can simply go to paradigm.com and then go to the admin panel. The admin panel will launch the admin panel entry screen. Your user administrator will log into the site. Again, this is your manager or the person that is responsible for setting up, as well as adding packages on the back end. So you log into the site. Let's say we want to create a package for Spectera multifocal lens options. And lens packages from other insurances, but in this video we will show you how to create a unique package for. So you go to Lens Options Admin and the Add row. So let's say we're gonna do a progressive. Well, let's say it starts with a material that's polycarbonate, and we're gonna make all of our packages use polycarbonate material. Let's say our office retail for polycarbonate is $60, so you add that in, and again that's going to show up on all three packages. And let's say for our highest package, which we call the Trendsetter, we're going to do a premium progressive, and it's important that you put the actual progressive type so that your opticians are able to spell that out or are able to communicate that to the patient. What kind. And so let's say we're going to do a progressive Unity Via for a Trendsetter, and let's say that's going to be our highest package. Let's say our middle package, we're going to add a premium progressive, and we'll say Unity Ethos. Let's say that's just for our premium package, and let's say that's $300. And then let's say for our basic package, maybe it's just going to be a line bifocal. So let's just add line bifocal and click basic, and let's say $150. So you are creating your packages as you can see now. The Trendsetter is a polycarbonate with a premium progressive Unity Via. The premium package is a polycarbonate with Unity Ethos, and the basic package is a polycarbonate with line bifocal. Let's just add one more item. Let's say we're going to add a premium anti-reflective coating, and we're just going to add that on the Trendsetter, and let's say that's $190. All right. So now we have our three packages. We can even choose to select one of these as a metric so that if we make a sale on this one, it's going to show up on the dashboard. So what we do now is just hit update, and I'm going to quickly show you how on the front end, if an office optician is going to sell a Spectera multifocal, it's going to come up just as you see here. And note that if you want to change, let's say you want the progressives to come up first, you can actually drag the box to where you want it to show up. You hit update, and it's going to actually show up to the optician in this very order that you see here. So we're going to go to the front end, and we're going to log in, and let's say we just make a sale, and we're going to choose Spectera so you can see exactly what it looks like for Spectera. We're going to choose Spectera. We're going to say multifocal. Let's just say they're not going to purchase a frame, because we want to see, and voila, exactly as it shows up here. Same order: Unity Via, Unity Ethos, line bifocal, polycarbonate, and anti-reflective coating. So now we just put the copays in. Let's say these are the copays. I'm just going to put some random numbers in here just so that we can see how we'll get the package pricing. Anti-reflective coating, let's say it's $60, and then the add-ons that were already in the system, let's say this person is getting transitions, and do $75. Now if we simply hit finish, we get our good, better, and best. And if you print this to the screen, you're going to see you now have your 3 packages. One is $150 for the line bifocal. For the premium, which is the Ethos Plus, is $195, and then for the Trendsetter, which is our highest package, is $290, and that's with the Unity Via, the anti-reflective coating, and the transitions. So that is simply how you set up your packages in the background. And again, you can drag and drop them in whatever order you want them to show up for your staff. We usually try to set them up in the order that they actually show up on the benefit. Some, like VSP, maybe has the frame information first, and then maybe have the lens material second, and then they show, you know, maybe a progressive or the anti-reflective coating last. So maybe we put that last. But you can drag and drop it into any order that you want, and it's going to show up exactly as you want it, like that, for the patient. And it's just that simple. And that is how you set up your packages. And you can easily just copy if you want. If you wanted to make the same package across all insurances, you can hit the copy button, and you can just select who you want to copy it to. So this way you don't have to type in the package each time. If you wanted the same packages across all insurances, you hit copy, and then you hit paste, and it's going to paste it to each one of these. I'm not going to do that because we don't want to make it the same. But that's the easy way to do it. You don't have to actually type this in for each insurance. Again, you can just copy it and then paste it to whoever you want that has the same package. And that is simply it.